Okay. 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 We see you. We see you. We see you.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Raynecia in the ding. So I have to hurry up and film this video because the sun is about to go down. But also, let me take this off. Had a very interesting night. I did have a shower. Hence why my hair is wet. So I just shampooed my hair. And now I'm going to deep condition. Sally's had a 50% off on their conditioners, whether it was leave-in conditioners, deep conditioners, or just basic conditioners. I needed to stock up on my deep conditioners because your girl was on a drought. So I went ham, insert clips right here. So if you guys want me to do a haul and all the products that I got, let me know by thumbsing up the video, commenting, liking. Let me know. Okay, let me know. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the main choice. What do we have here? So we have the main choice, Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Hair Mask infused with Infused with biotin and vitamin A, B, C, and D. Helps to support natural growth and retention. The main choice products are pretty expensive and I personally would not buy them if it's not a sale because I have a lot of hair and this is probably gonna last me about 2 uses, maybe 1, maybe 2. Let's speak some positivity because 2 uses. So got this half off and I'll insert the price somewhere around here, but I wasn't buying this without the sale, sorry, no. And this is my second time trying a deep conditioner from the main choice. So I'm excited to see if I'm going to like this or not. And let me also insert that I haven't been deep conditioning as often. I usually try to deep condition every wash day, but that has not been working out. If I get at least 2 deep conditioners in for the month, or at least 3, that's a lot. But 2, honestly, 2 is a lot. The consistency is very light, not too thick, not too runny, and the smell isn't overbearing, so that's good for me. I love when conditioners aren't doing too much. That's my preference. Let me just slide this up in here. This deep conditioner claims to intensively rejuvenates, conditions, and hydrates, deeply penetrates well into all layers of the hair shaft, prevents and repairs cuticle damage, restores hair condition and delivers shine, makes hair feel soft and reduce frizz, loaded with fatty acids omega-3, 6, and 9, helps to replenish hair and fight against split ends. Okay. A lot of claims. As I said, my hair has been shampooed and I didn't detangle. I usually detangle in the shower now, as I told you guys. So I'm going to break my hair up in sections and then apply. I like for my hair to be damp when I apply deep conditioners, or wet. I usually apply my deep conditioners in the shower either way. Just gonna re-wet my hair. Okay. So it went on pretty moisturizing. It just melted into my curls. Okay. I'm just going to break them into smaller sections and detangle. Okay. And I am realizing that a little bit goes a long way. It made my hair so much easier to detangle. We are moving. Okay. Spray some water. Get the hair wet. Apply a generous amount. Don't forget the ends. Finger detangle. I am impressed actually. Detangle with my white tooth comb. So that did not take long at all to apply. Going to move on to this section. So we are set. It recommended that you leave it in for about an hour without heat, but I don't have time for that. And it's already late. I don't want to come back and show you guys what my hair looks like. See you guys in about 30 minutes. Okay, goodbye.
1 week later.
It's almost a week later and I had time today. Previously, I tried my best to film before the sun went down, but that didn't work out. Right after that, I put in some mini twist and then took it down, and I deep conditioned my hair again with the same product. So this time around, I did follow the instructions, put on a shower cap and left it in for about an hour. Added a couple extra minutes because of laziness before I washed it out. Because I don't have my ring light with me, but as I told y'all, I got you. So let's talk about it. So first of all, now looking at it, $20 ain't that bad. Round it off. Because this deep conditioner, wow. Let's test these claims for real now. Did it intensively rejuvenate? Cha-ching! Did it condition and hydrate? Cha-ching! Did it deeply penetrate into my hair shaft? It did, because my hair does feel strong, but not crispy or like that hard protein type of strong. But my hair does feel like she went deep into this hair shaft. Did it prevent and repair cuticle damage? I wouldn't know, because I guess that's something I would have to find out with continuous use. So we don't really know much about that. Did it restore hair condition and produce shine? Y'all let me know. It looks shiny to me. And it did leave my hair soft when I wash it out. Okay. Did it make my hair feel soft and reduce frizz? I kind of jumped the gun and already answered about the softness, but honey, she is soft, okay? Not soft like that mushy type soft. It's just like soft and fluffy. Feels like a pillow actually. Did it help to replenish my hair and fight against split ends? I wouldn't know off the bat. We'll have to use it some more to find out that. As I said, I'm really about to cough up this $20 plus tax and shipping, because you guys know I can't really find this anywhere here, and if I do, it's gonna cost me triple the price. Come through, curls. Okay, come true, shine. Okay, we see you coming through. Come true, moisture. Come true, strength. What else we coming through with? Come true, volume. Come true, fullness. Just come through. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, I am in love with this deep conditioner.